Introducing the Routes Manager Anonymous User Posting add-on for WordPress, a sure way to manage and moderate anonymous posting on your site. To use this add-on, please purchase our Google Maps Routes Manager plugin. The Routes Manager Anonymous User Posting add-on gives users and visitors to your site a limited access to the routes dashboard. They are still able to create new routes and view existing ones, but cannot edit or delete them. In the attempt of doing so, an error message appears. You are also able to customize moderation settings on the back end and approve edit routes manually. To purchase this add-on tool and other CM products, please visit us at www.cminds.com. We code, you create.